Yo, welcome on everybody, this is Raul Blaze and this is called Things to Find in a Jamaican or West Indian Kitchen. Now, let's see how Caribbean you are.
2 buckler browning, 1 empty, 1 full. You keep saying you're gonna wash out the empty one, but you just can't remember. I want Dutch pot that when I have no cover, but you keep it because that passed on in your family from slavery days. Boiled dumpling and boiled yam in a freezer. You mean for fright, you know, but you just can't remember. About 50 different kind of curry because each time you buy one new curry, your friends say, try the curry. This tush plate them in the cabinet where uncle visitor can use. Butter container in the fridge with everything in there except butter. The season bag with onion, scallion, thyme and pepper. But you keep buying new onion and figure say you have an old onion never got spoil. Tea, mint tea, ginger tea, lasco tea, every kind of tea. Well except actual real tea. Saltfish will never wrap up good. So you have saltfish salt all over your cupboard and in your fridge. Last but definitely not least, you have a scandal bag with scandal bag in it for keep other scandal bag. Thanks for watching. Based on this countdown, just let me know how Jamaican or West Indian are you. Big up!